The Holy Quran says, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. O Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam, I have not sent you but as a mercy to all the worlds. All the worlds, when you go beyond the earth, when you go beyond humanity, you are on the cosmic level. This is called the cosmic level, the level of the cosmos. He is a mercy for the entire cosmos. That is his status, the cosmic status. His mundane status is, as the Quran says, initially, قُلْ إِنَّمَا أَنَا بَشَرٌ مِثْلُكُمْ. O Prophet alayhi salatu wassalam, proclaim that I am a human being as you are human beings. I am giving just one from both sides. I'll come to both these aspects later on in my talk. Now here many people have stumbled on this verse. This verse, قُلْ إِنَّمَا أَنَا بَشَرٌ مِثْلُكُمْ, can be translated in two ways. Remember this. One is the way of kufr and the other is the way of iman. It has been translated by some as meaning, I am a human being like you. This is the translation on the basis of kufr. It leads a person straight to kufr. If anybody says that the Holy Prophet ﷺ is a human being like us, like X, Y or Z, he is a kafir. He is speaking the greatest falsehood against the Quran and against the Hadith. No human being is like the Holy Prophet ﷺ. And what do they mean when they translate it in this ugly fashion? What do they mean? Like whom? Like the robber, the adulterer, the murderer, the devil incarnate. Among the human beings are human beings of all types. Like whom? It is the most foolish idea to translate it like this. Like whom? Who is that standard person bearing the standard of piety with whom we are going to liken him if we say that the Prophet ﷺ is like us? Only that he is our elder brother. What? As the Jews conceived God to be only a magnified human being and nothing more, can you conceive the Holy Prophet ﷺ as just like you, a little better than what you are? Certainly not. The verse says, actually, the connotation of the verse is to emphasize the humanity of the Holy Prophet ﷺ in order that Muslims may not fall a prey as others had fallen prey. In view of the great qualities of the Holy Prophet ﷺ and in view of those miraculous powers that he had been given, they may not fall a prey to the misconception that he is not a human being, but he is God in some sense of the word. It is his divinity which is being emphatically denied here, not that he is like us. Who can be like him? Again, all right. He is a human being. We are human beings. Certainly. Those who have studied physics and chemistry and so on, those who have studied physical sciences, they know that charcoal is pure carbon. And the diamond is also pure carbon. The charcoal is pure carbon. It is only the frequency of the molecules of the electronic particles of the diamond that makes it a diamond, and it is only the frequency of the basic particles of which charcoal is made. The difference lies only in frequency according to the latest knowledge in the field of science. Otherwise, basically both are pure carbon. I say, standing here, the Holy Prophet ﷺ is human being. I am a human being. I am like charcoal and he is like diamond. And here the matter is settled. Would anyone like to exchange his diamond, it may be of just half a carat, with 100 wagons load of charcoal? No. The charcoal and the diamond, although being basically the same, their laws of existence are different. Their value and worth is different. Their external appearance itself is different, because charcoal is black and opaque, the diamond glitters and shines. If a person eats charcoal, it is good for gases in the stomach. The doctors prescribe the eucarbon, so you might get the tablets in the market. It is all grounded charcoal only. If a person eats diamond, he will be killed outright. Opposite properties. And the distance in point of worth and value between them is, so to say, infinite. The value of the diamond and the value of the charcoal. 1 carat of charcoal and 1 carat of diamond, weigh them together and then see what is the difference in their value. So, although the charcoal and the diamond both are carbon, there is a world of difference between the two. And although me and you and the Holy Prophet ﷺ, we here and he there, both are human beings, but there is a world of difference between us and him in point of status, in point of the constitution of his personality and his powers. What are the childish things which people talk? Very sad.